Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got the new Pixel Watch 2 that I just picked up. So let's go ahead and unbox this and take a look what we get inside. Okay, so this is the Pixel Watch 2 from Google. This is the second generation of the Pixel Watch. This is the Wi-Fi version, not the LTE. Let's just look at some specs on this real quick. And let's see. So this is I believe a 41 millimeter watch, only one size. This is the black or obsidian with the active obsidian band. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we get here. So the box opens up kind of like a book. So when you open up the box, you can see on the left we have, I believe, our charging cable. We've got the watch in the middle, and then we've got most likely our books and stuff here. So let's set this down and take a look. Set the watch off to the side. Open this up. Yep, so it looks like this is our charging cable here. And so we have a USB-C charging cable. And then this has the proprietary Google style, I guess. And on the bottom, it looks like it has 4 pins. So this is only going to work with the Pixel Watch. No other devices. Let's see over here. We have an extra strap. So this is I believe, for the longer, for a larger wrist. Let's see what else we have in here. And down here we've got our Google paperwork, the getting started guide on how to use the watch, and just some normal warranty stuff, warning stuff. Okay, so let's get this out of the way and let's take a look at the watch. So I did unbox this earlier to take a look at it. So it has this protective covering when you first get the watch. Let's go ahead and take that off. And so we're greeted with the watch. I do have a pin on here right now. So this is what the watch will look like. On the side, we have our digital crown for making selections and so forth. On the left-hand side, it looks like that is our speaker. So for taking phone calls and listening to music and so forth. Different kind of band that I'm used to. This is my first experience with the Pixel Watch. It has this little button here, kind of like I think like an Apple Watch. On the bottom we have the new heart rate sensor. So it looks like there are some different sensors that have been added from the Pixel 1 to the Pixel 2 watch. Let's see if we can get a close up there. And yeah, so there is the display. Let me go ahead and just unlock this real quick. Okay, so we've got the watch. If we swipe up, we've got our notifications. If we swipe from the left, I believe these are the tiles. So these have different tiles here. We've got our Fitbit information, steps. If we swipe to the right, same thing. So we've got our tiles swiping either left or right. If we swipe down, if we press the crown once, that'll take us back. If we swipe down, then we get our quick settings that you would expect. If we jump into settings here and use the crown, we have connectivity, display, gestures, apps and notifications, Google, sound, vibrations, our battery, general, health profile, location, safety, and emergency, accessibility, security, and system. On the right hand side, there is a button here. It's kind of hard to see. If you press that button, that'll take you to all of your recents, and you can scroll through and select any of these to go to that recent app. If we press that crown in once, that'll take us back. Okay, let's go ahead and put the watch on so you can see what it looks like. For reference, I have about a 7-inch wrist. So here we go. That's what the watch looks like. 41 millimeter circular. This is the short band, which I'm on, looks like the first hole, so I will be switching over to the larger band. But it feels pretty good. The display is pretty bright. Let me just log in here. If we swipe down, we can actually go to our display, and you can see that I have it turned up all the way. I will continue to use it this way. It does have adaptive brightness, which you can turn on or off. And if we select in the center there, it looks like we have all of our Fitbit information. This does come with 6 months of Fitbit Premium at no charge. You do have to put in your credit card information if you want to continue to use Fitbit Premium, so that's what I did. I'm checking it out. We'll see how well it is, how accurate. But yeah, so that is the Pixel Watch 2. If you're enjoying this video, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell notification so you'll be updated on new videos. Appreciate you watching.